In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an invoice on Squarespace. Creating an invoice on Squarespace is a straightforward process that can be a game changer for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone in need of a professional billing solution. Squarespace not only simplifies website building, but also offers invoicing features that are both easy to use and efficient. So let's dive right in and see how you can utilize this functionality to streamline your billing process. First and foremost, you need to access Squarespace. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Squarespace URL. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in on the top right corner of the home page. Click on that login button to proceed. For those of you with a Google account, Squarespace offers a convenient Continue with Google option which simplifies the login process. Click on this, then select your Google account from the list presented to ensure a secure login. Without the need to remember an additional password after you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to a dashboard where all your Squarespace sites are listed. Click on the website for which you need to create an invoice. This action will redirect you to the back end of your selected site. Now, navigate to the invoicing section. You can find this option either in the sidebar menu or by using the search function available on the dashboard. Squarespace's menu is quite intuitive, so locating the invoicing section should be a breeze. Once in the invoicing section, you are ready to create a new invoice. Look for the Create button. It's typically located towards the top of the page. Upon clicking this button, you'll be given a few options. Choose Invoice to start crafting your invoice. Here's where you personalize your invoice. If you're doing a test run or creating an invoice for yourself, Squarespace offers the convenience to add yourself as a test client. Alternatively, you can add a new client's details by selecting Add New Client. Fill in the relevant information to ensure your invoice is directed to the right recipient. After adding your client, click Continue to move on to the invoice details. This next page is where your invoice starts taking shape. You'll notice an option to ADD line item. Click on this to begin listing the products or services for which you're invoicing. Here you can detail each item, providing a clear description so your client knows exactly what they're being charged for. Squarespace allows you to itemize your services or products, making your invoices detailed and clear, which is great for transparency and record keeping. Following the item description, it's time to input the price. For each line item you've added, you'll see a field to enter its price. Be precise to avoid any confusion or discrepancy with your client. After entering the cost for all items, double check to ensure everything is correctly listed with the corresponding prices. Accuracy here is crucial to maintaining trust and professionalism with your clients. Finally, once all items are listed with their prices, you're ready to send your invoice. Squarespace makes this last step as straightforward as clicking the Send button. However, before you do, take a moment to preview your invoice. Ensure all the information is accurate and presented professionally. This includes your business information, the client's details, the items or services provided, their prices, and the total amount due. A well-constructed invoice reflects well on your business and professionalism. Clicking Send will dispatch your invoice directly to your client's email, provided during the setup. And just like that, you've successfully created and sent an invoice using Squarespace. In conclusion, Squarespace not only makes website building accessible, but also simplifies the invoicing process. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your billing, allowing you to focus more on what you do best. Remember, the key to a smooth invoicing process is accuracy and clarity. Ensure your invoices clearly list the services or products provided, along with their corresponding prices. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide helpful in tackling your invoicing needs using Squarespace. If you have any questions, or if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy invoicing!